What's up, everyone? Today we're going to be solving Leetcode 101. Is a binary tree symmetric? So what we're going to do is pretty much see if this guy is symmetric around the middle. 2 and 2 is the same, 4 and 4 is the same, 3 and 3 is the same. Yeah, I know it's a very simple problem and the solution is pretty short, but I still want to do it because it'll be perfect practice for me, and hopefully I never forget it. Apparently the guy who invented Homebrew was interviewing for Google and they asked him to reverse a binary tree or symmetrize it or something like that, something simple like this, and unfortunately I think he wasn't able to do it, but that's not going to be us. So let's get into it. Usually these problems you want to keep working with the given node, but because it's kind of going outwards, you can't keep references to this and this at the same time with the one root node. That's why you're going to make use of a helper method that's also going to return Boolean. So right now, this is 1, that's a root, and we're going to pretend there's 2 of them, and we're going to go through it. Now, this is also a return Boolean type. Call it root 1, tree node root 2. Now, the way I put it in my head and make it very simple. So if they are both null, we can return true. Now the next thing we have to check is, hey, if one of them is null and the other one is not null, we have to return false. For that we can write the same thing except make an or. Because it would have passed the first if statement of checking if they're both null, this will work just fine. Root 2 is null, then we return false. So next we have to see is, okay, they're both not null, and one of them is not null while the other one is null, and vice versa. So next we have to check the values. If root 1's val is not equal to root 2's val, we can return false. Of course, I mean, if it's going to be symmetric. So right now, 1 and 1, they're not null, so it's not going to be the first two, and they're both the same thing, right? So next, what we're going to do is check. We can return it. I'll tell you how to do it in a second. What we need to do is see if root 1's dot left is going to be symmetric with root 2's dot right. We need that to be true, and we need the vice versa to be true. Root 1's dot right, comma, root 2's dot left. If both of these recursive stacks are true, then we can return our original recur function is true, or return not equal recur. This is the one that's being called. So let's see how this goes. Root 1's dot left is 2, right? So our original recur function is going to call like this. Recur 1, comma 1 is going to call recur roots left 2 and roots right 2, and this is going to be the end statement. Recur 2 and 2. This guy is going to call recur 3, comma 4. And this guy is going to call AND it with recur 2 is going to call this one 3 and 4, and this guy is going to call recur 3 and 4. He's going to call recur 3 and 4. These both come back as true. These both come back as true. These both come back as true. And we can return our final answer as true. So that's how you solve Leetcode 101. Again, it's a pretty basic one, and you should be able to solve it if you're going to solve the tougher ones, the medium ones, the hard ones. Anyway, if you like it, please share, please subscribe, and please like the video. Thank you.